Hi, my name is Injay, and today we're going to have a look at SGLang on TPUs. Today we're going to have a look at SGLang JAX, which is the same SGLang that you know and love, but it's been built ground up with optimizations specifically for TPUs by using things like custom Palace kernels and using JAX as the backend. One of the things I particularly like about SGLang JAX is that it supports the latest SOTO models such as Qwen, DeepSeek, GLM, and the Ling 2.6 model. Now, for those of you who really wants to dive deep into performance optimization and just what it takes to optimize an MOE model, I highly recommend you to check out this blog where you can explore how you can co-design a model all the way from the model architecture down to custom kernels. And now let's take a look at a demo to see how you can serve an LLM using SGLang on TPUs.
Thanks, Injay. Hi, I'm Chris. I'm an AI infra specialist working especially for GPU and TPU related work. And today I have this chance to show you a demo use SGLang serving engine to do model inference on TPU platform. Let's begin. I will go into the demo. This is a console. I will show you how to install this model, this inference engine. Let's go. This demo will show you how easy to use SGLang engine on TPU framework. You will see that if you have experience on GPU platform, it's exactly the same. Just one click, then finish the install. The next step is to start the model inference engine. It will cost a pretty long time because it needs to load the minimal large language model, which is a popular model in the China market. It's released by Xiaomi. This model, maybe you know another popular inference framework is via LLM, but Xiaomi model only supports on SGLang. This is the unique value of SGLang, and together with GPU. We will do a functional test first. We will ask the model that what's the answer of 2 plus 3. The answer should be 5. Oh yeah, it's right. Then we ask the model which is the capital of French. It should be Paris. Yeah, Paris in 3 times. Okay, so let's do a benchmark on this TPU platform. We'll show you how the performance is. Let's wait a moment. Okay, we got the result. You can see it now. The performance is as good as GPU. As you know that TPU is already used Google internally for more than 10 years. And now is a good option for you also. You have a chance to use TPU to serving your large language model with SGLang platform. That's it. Thank you.
Thanks, Chris. In summary, we saw how you can serve LLMs using SGLang on TPUs. At Google, we believe you can build some pretty amazing things with TPUs, and that's why we've partnered with the SGLang community to add its support. If you'd like to try this out, go take a look at the SGLang TPU page where you can see some pretty cool installation and quick start examples on models. Thanks for checking in and excited to see what you build next.